Greetings, my name is Adrian from adriangordon.me. I'm a software consultant who specializes in helping businesses increase sales and save time through the power of automation. The second essential tech improvement that any business can make is to use a tool that allows you to visualize the performance of your business, a KPI tool. Essentially, what this is an investment in yourself, and I'm going to explain. Most small businesses eventually hit a plateau and they never ever grow past this because the owners of the businesses stagnate. The reason they stagnate is because they're operating purely on instinct. However, what really is this thing that we're calling instinct? Let's think about it. Your instinct is really a manifestation of your knowledge and experience over the years from your subconscious mind. A KPI, or key performance indicator, is a statistic. It's a statistic that measures a real business outcome over a period of time, right? A KPI visualization tool allows you to monitor these statistics and essentially feed your subconscious mind with factual information about your business. Once you've fed your subconscious mind, you're essentially improving your instincts and allowing you to make better business decisions into the future. A KPI visualization tool or software is an easy thing that you can implement to significantly increase the performance of your business over the long term. Alright, now if you are interested in integrating KPI software, CRM software, or any kind of software with the aim of improving the performance of your business, get in touch with me and book a session. Additionally, if you want to continue receiving content like this, you find it useful, feed the algorithm by clicking the like button. Let it know that you want to keep seeing things like this. Lastly, if you have a website that's not making you any money and you would like to transform it into a cash flow system, sign up for the Website Dojo newsletter. The link is in the description. Alright, comment and I will see you in the next one.